Designing small kitchens, ideas and suggestions. The greatest challenge for people living in small homes and apartments is the decor. One can find a lot of creative ways to decorate their homes. The problem that usually occurs while decorating the home is the decor of a small kitchen. The designs and other decorations for kitchens found in market are usually for bigger kitchens. Sometimes while decorating the kitchen people overstuff the place and then complain of congestion. All these problems can be solved by using simple techniques and proper planning. One can be creative while designing the kitchen without overcrowding the place and spending too much on buying the decorations. Developing a small kitchen into a well-organized space requires concerns over the major aspects: lighting, storage and kitchen appliances. Lighting can be very resourceful for small kitchen. Using proper lighting can help in providing satisfaction and help in making the kitchen more appealing and pleasing. With proper lights one would feel more comfortable and the kitchen would look less congested even though there are many things in the kitchen. Also using cabinets with glass doors and light bulbs to provide color to the cabinet will help increase the beauty of the kitchen, and it will also save space for unnecessary portable lights.